everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my garden. Look what I got. Look at these beans. These are my Chinese red noodle beans. And I just found these today. I'll show you the rest of them in a minute. I wanted to let you know that I'm out here trying to prepare for the Tropical Storm Cristobal. And I've tied up a bunch of tomatoes, and Poppy has fixed the tomato bed that got sank the other day. Anyhow, right now the weather's not too bad. The wind's blowing a little bit, but the storm's not supposed to be here till tomorrow. So here's the work that Poppy did on the tomato bed. And he put these cinder blocks all up underneath here on this side and on this side that was sunk. See how tall the legs are now? If you go back and watch my other video, the last one that I posted, in fact, it'll be at the end of this video if you want to take a look at it. You can see how far down it sunk whenever we had that storm the other night. And also why I wanted to get this done before we had the tropical storm tomorrow. But there's that. Now, I want to show you what I got this weekend that I've been wanting for a while. So right here, I have two new plants. These are both blueberry bushes. This is a Brightwell, and this is a powder blue. And I got those at Lowe's yesterday. I paid more than I wanted to for them, but I wanted some blueberries. So darn it, I got them. Look over here, y'all. I got a fig tree. It's a Celeste. They say that's one of the sweetest fig varieties that there is. We'll see. It doesn't have any on it right now. And it might even wait until next year to produce anything. But that's okay. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and look at these Chinese noodle beans I showed y'all the other day. Remember I told you they were only 5 inches long? Well, I want you to look at those suckers now. They're at least a foot long. Now, they're not fat, but they'll get that way. There's another one over here. No, where'd it go? Oh, that's the one I picked. There's some more over here. And they go all the way down to there. That's a good foot, too. Now, the last thing I want to show y'all. Y'all, look at her. She bloomed. I've had to grab her stem and pull her this way so I can turn. Oh, look at that view. Isn't that beautiful? Y'all, every time I see that color, it just makes me want to cry. It's so beautiful. I love it. Let's stand her back up. All right, so Poppy went down to the park because that's where they're distributing sandbags for everybody who might flood. Now, I haven't lived in this house during a tropical storm, so I don't know if it'll flood or not, but we're going to put sandbags against the front door just in case water comes up that way. The back door is high enough up off the ground where I don't think we're going to have to worry about that. I'm going to have Poppy pick up some stakes so I can put them next to the sunflower and tie it to it so that the storm don't knock it over. I've got 3 of them like that are big, but you know what? This one here, I think this is going to be a red one too, y'all. It's not bloomed yet, but look how dark and purple the stem is. So I think that one's going to be a red one. I know I planted a few varieties of red ones. I don't know if y'all can see the sky or not, but it looks pretty good out today. So far. The storm's not supposed to hit until tomorrow though, so we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I'm going to go down to the beach when Poppy gets home, and I'm going to do some filming of the water down there. And we'll keep a little log of it, maybe vlog it on my channel. So y'all look forward to that video because I'm going to show you what it looks like down there on the beach whenever there's a tropical storm coming. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?